Introducing the new and improved version of our censored search website, which is a website and service for searching for content on websites that have been banned, shadow banned, or otherwise deprecated by the ever increasing censorship associated with the COVID pandemic and perhaps other factors as well. So, this is our new website. We've had this out for several months, but this is a new version with new features and new capabilities. Let me show the basic concept here. I'm going to focus on a COVID-related case. So Barnstable County, as you'll see, is related to a recent COVID outbreak among vaccinated people. I'll hit return, and it's going to take a few seconds. And it gives search results. So it's going through websites that have been banned or shadow banned by Google, by YouTube, by many other sources. Some of them have actually been targeted overtly by the administration in the U.S. and so on. What we do here is we have a database of websites that are being censored. And we use, for the free version that you're seeing here, what we call modified page rank. So it ranks them loosely by popularity. We've modified the algorithm in a couple of ways to produce more relevant results and elevate some of the pages better than in the past. It's basically very simple, and we have more sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms in the paid version that look and prioritize the search results by financial data, by other topics that they're covering that are really relevant to trying to figure out what's going on in the world. So to give an example of this, on the free version, you'll see these different options, and these are basically using the algorithms that are paid for, but they're not applied to all of them together. It'll just scan the content here and try to identify passages that are relevant to the topic. So a big thing we want to look for is financial information. There's lots of claims out there, but something that's a strong indicator that something is going on is that people are actually spending money. Financial transactions can be confirmed. And so let's go ahead and do this. And now we see the actual text from the website. So we strip out all the images and other stuff. We can see here's Barnstable County. The passages that are highlighted in green are passages that appear to match either the search item or the topic. In other words, we are trying to look for money information. It's not perfect. In fact, it depends. Some of the words and phrases it uses to try to figure out what's being talked about can be found in other contexts. But what's relevant here is this is the Barnstable County, Provincetown on Cape Cod in Massachusetts outbreak, and you can read some details here. What happened, as it says here, and this is talking about the Barnstable case among Massachusetts residents tied to the cluster, and that's in Provincetown, Cape Cod, tracked by this to 74% of the cases, 346 infections were fully vaccinated people. That's in fact about the rate of vaccination in the Massachusetts population. And so this is, even though this actually apparently led to a change in masking advice by the CDC, it's been downplayed because it's not particularly good news for the vaccines. So the point is that by using our website, you can find information that's being censored and blocked, and you can search for it more effectively than in a normal search engine. So again, the way we do this is we give an ordered list, and the free version is just the page ranking, which is how many other websites are linking to this content. But we have these paid, more advanced AI algorithms, which you can get a sample of in the free one by clicking on these buttons. And they look for, again, they will rank in the paid version, they rank the search results based on discussions of financial matters, transactions of money, and other kinds of things that are hopefully concrete, factual things that you can confirm. That's a big issue with censored content. It's who you know. It talks about relationships between people, who works for whom, who is went to which schools, which people are friends or family members, and crime pays look specifically for references to criminal activity, felony convictions, misdemeanors, allegations of fraud, things like that. So we try to pull out of the censored information factual content. Now, we don't claim what you find is factual. You need to confirm what you find. But the point is to add artificial intelligence to do some of the scanning and going through these articles and point you to the right passages and areas for information that you can then confirm. So this is another website. They're also talking in some detail about the factual matter of the Barnstable County, that's Cape Cod outbreak. That's the basic idea of the website, and so we're adding more and more artificial intelligence to help you extract the signal from the noise. Because as you'll certainly find when you see things that are censored, you'll see that some things are being censored not for any real reason, but to provide noise. In other words, you want to censor crazy information as well as true information so people can't easily distinguish the true information from the crazy information. That's part of how sophisticated censorship is done today. So it's important that you have the tools to poke through the data that's being, quote, censored and extract the truthful information, and it's often partially truthful because nobody knows everything, but extract the facts and information that you need and distinguish it from the smoke and mirrors. Let me just show our mission statement. So this is our mission statement here. Our mission is to enable free and open exchange of information and viewpoints, without which a free and just society is impossible. So we're giving you not just a database or access to a search database of censored information, but again, we're giving you tools to extract the signal from the noise, to figure out which censored items are in fact truthful or contain partial truths that you should act on. For example, not to buy certain products that are overpriced or harmful, or alternatively to buy other products or services that actually are good for you. And that's something you have to research yourself. We're only providing a tool for you to do that. So in a nutshell, that is the Censored Search website. It is censored-search.net, also censored-search.org, and censored-search.com will also work. So again, it is a search engine specifically for censored internet content, websites. If you want the paid version, you currently can pay through PayPal. You have to subscribe for a monthly subscription. You can also subscribe through the Subscribe Star system, which is also a monthly prescription. Actually, you can also subscribe through Patreon as well. This concludes this video presentation. If you like this video, please click like. Please click subscribe and the notification bell if you would like to receive more content from us. You can avoid internet censorship by subscribing directly to our RSS news feed. Please consider sharing the link by email and on your website or blog, in addition to liking, upvoting, or sharing on increasingly censored, advertising beholden, big company social media. We have encountered such censorship. Mathematical software is developing algorithms and software to automate data analysis, reducing the risks of costly errors and increasing the predictive power of the results. You can support our work financially by subscribing on our Patreon page, https://www.patreon.com/mathsoft, or scanning the QR code in the lower right corner.